Kevin Kaster of Kasters Kustom Cutting. My son Steven and my son Daniel both work here and hopefully are slowly taking over so I can go on more vacations. So at this point we're running a couple different mills. We started out running a Wood-Mizer HD40 when we were doing portable work, and we've kind of progressed a little bit. We've got a HD50 which has a different log turner, and we've actually gone to electric since we don't go portable anymore. And then the other mill we're running is called a Lucas mill out of Australia. Basically a big chainsaw with a 23 horse motor on it, which is right here. We've got a small log in here right now, but it's just a great big chainsaw bar basically. These rails go up and down. So you come in, take your first cap, then you got crank handles, you drop it down however much you want, 2 or 3 inches. And then it just slowly rolls through. It's actually on a set of rollers. So you start on that end and you just slowly walk it through the log. And then at this point, like this one's done, it's got wedges in it. We'll just slide it off, bring it back and start over. We're capable of doing 32 feet long. We've got an extension on the mill. Got a short log up there right now that he's working on. Working on a cedar log at this point. Probably starting out cutting some fence boards. That's the fun part of cedar. If you look at the end of that log, you get a lot of rot and a lot of defect. That's the western red cedar around our area. It's kind of what it is. And then over here, we've actually, after everything has been through the dryers, air dried and through the kiln, then we've got a flattener over here that we can do 72 inches wide. So as you can see, like this had a little twist in it, so this we didn't surface down, but this has been surfaced. This will be nice and flat. The nice thing about the flattener is the pieces lay there, so they're laying, and so they get completely flattened. Where a lot of times if you send them through a planer, you've got your pinch rollers and it can kind of actually still come out curved, where this actually flattens it. As you can see, it's got a 5-inch cutter head that's run by a joystick that just goes up and down on the piece and slowly flattens it, and then we crank it down a little bit and you go over it again and flip them over and hopefully end up with a flat piece at some point, and goes into somebody's bar top or dining room table or restaurant table or something.